Nice to come here. Come with me.
Come on.
Come with me.
Okay. Okay.
Bring it up.
Come here. Let's go. He doesn't like walking.
Yeah. She wants to go on the grass. Or whatever.
He has a lot of feeling here. It's at the paw where he doesn't have much feeling.
Okay. Yeah. Alright. I'm going to give him the other joints that lift him up even higher.
You think so?
I think so. I just don't want him to drag it.
You think that the ankle looks pretty okay.
Yeah.
But you can always try what you say.
Yeah. Let's get him to walk a little bit more. Wherever.
Come on. No. Yeah.
It's not bad.